Hey guys, it's Thursday, July 8th, and I'm putting the finishing touches on the breaker panel. This here's our main coming from the inverter through this cable. I got the main turned off. I've already verified I've got no power here. Now we're going to put the finishing touches on here. We got to jump the two halves of this circuit over. So I made this little piece of brass. Happen to have a piece of leftover brass from another project. I think that's good enough conductors, right? So we're going to put this here, and we're going to leave a little bit of space away from that screw, because that screw is a ground. Actually, I think I'd like to bend this thing out some. A little bit close for my comfort. Yeah, I think I will go in the vise and just bend this thing out a little bit to stay away from that screw. All right, there we are. Breaker's still off. We got plenty of space where that screw is right there. And we're essentially done here, man. I could close this thing up. And I think I might actually put the cover, well, yeah, I'll have to knock these things out to put the cover on. And I guess that's where everything's gonna go. Maybe I'll wait a while. Anyway, that looks good. Now we got some other things to work on today.